Alright guys, what I have here is the package with the Sync 3 in it, and I haven't dug in yet, I just opened it up. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. We're probably gonna make a big mess, but okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, this might be the screen. Got it by harness by Hextall, and they were really nice to work with. Let's see what else we got up in here. Alright, after cleaning up this big mess, we got this huge box out of the bottom, and then this was on top. So let's see what's inside these. All right, guys, just opened up the little box here. Looks like this is the screen. Got some brackets there. Ooh, they packed it nicely. It looks like it wouldn't get damaged with all this bubble wrap on it. So that's kind of nice. And then let's check out this big box over here. Okay, now we're talking. So this looks like the upgraded bezel. You can see there. And now we just gotta take these two things out of the bubble wrap and let's see what they look like. Aha, guys, check out this. Looks just like a 301A car. Everything looks right. We got our mode switches right there. I can't wait to get drive modes. All you have to do is just program the drive modes in and they will work like they're intended to. Oh yeah, this is exciting. Okay, let's open up this one. All right, guys, just got the screen out. Everything looks to be okay. This area looks to have a little bit of like stuff on it, but that shouldn't matter because it will be covered up by this black portion. So hopefully without breaking anything, let's kind of get an idea of what this will look like. Okay, yeah, it'll probably be like that. Okay, let me hold the camera a little bit better here. Yep, it'll look like this. Oh yeah, check that out. And then I didn't get, when you order this kit from Hextall or whatever it's called, you can choose if you want satellite radio, HD radio, and you can also choose if you want, there's one more thing, what is it? Satellite radio, HD radio. I forgot what the last one is, I'll put it on the screen, or if I remember later. But you can choose 3 different things. I got the base, because I don't need satellite radio, I don't need HD radio, and I don't need, oh, navigation, that was the last one, navigation. I don't need navigation. So this is the cheapest way you can get it from Hextall. All right, guys, now I'm gonna attempt to install this, and instead of making this like an installation video, because I'm terrible at those because I need a lot of time to figure out how to do it myself, let alone try to teach someone how to do it, I'll just keep you guys updated on my process as I'm doing it. All right, guys, little status update. You can see the interior is being pulled apart here. We got this whole piece off. So I just wanted to give you guys a little update. I can't do an install video like I said because I really got to focus on this. But yep, that's where we're at so far. All right, guys, I switched over to the GoPro, but I don't know if you guys can see in there, but we got the huge screen. So let's go ahead and check it out. Oh yeah. See, this is nice. I do miss having this, I will admit. So let's go ahead and start it up and, or let's at least turn it on. Let's see how everything is. So you can see it works just like it should. And by the way, that flickering that you see on the camera, that's not actually there. But, wow. And by the way, I know there's probably some questions. Drive modes will work once you get it programmed by, in my case, it was a Hextall guy, so he's gonna remote program my car so that the drive modes work. And then another question I know you guys probably have is, do I have dual zone climate control now? No, it will show up as dual zone, but it will prioritize the driver. And then another question you guys probably have is auto. Auto will work like you have automatic climate control. So you have single zone automatic climate control now. You have drive modes, and I'll show you guys. Probably not going to do anything. Let's see. I haven't tested out yet. Yeah, it just does nothing. The steering feel works. Traction control works. I wonder if it. Oh yeah, that's funny. So normally when you have these toggle switches, you don't have advanced track sport mode. But I still have it because he needs to program this that's like a 301A car. And then hazards, they work just like they're supposed to. Okay, so that's a little bit weird. Okay, so yeah, that's a little bit strange, but I'm hoping that when he programs it, it's different, because normally it's supposed to just go on and then flip it back and it's off, but it stays on. I need to go up again, then it turns off and then go down. So that's a little bit weird, but hopefully when he programs it, that'll fix. So we got our climate screen, phone, and by the way, you send them your VIN number so that they can program this accordingly. So all this is just as if I had it from the factory. I know what you guys are probably thinking. Do you have Apple CarPlay? Well, let's go ahead and find out. I didn't have to do anything with this USB right here. I know you guys can't see it, but I didn't have to do anything with pulling that out, anything like that. This is a 2020 Mustang. So let's go ahead and put our phone in and see if it works. All right, plugged in the phone. It is charging, so that works. Boom. Yes, Apple CarPlay does work. Oh, this is so exciting. Now I got Apple CarPlay, I got Waze. See there, I got the Waze going. Oh yeah, now we're talking. So yeah, overall really good. Let's see if backup camera works. Oh, perfect. Backup camera works good too. There we go. So yeah, Sync 3 screen is installed, and I also have another little modification on the outside that I will show you guys tomorrow. And I'm really excited about that modification. It's very little, so it doesn't deserve its own whole video because I can't make a whole video about that. But I will show you guys tomorrow my little modification I did outside and what the screen looks like when you're driving, so that you guys have something better to look at instead of that tiny itty bitty screen. All right guys, it is a couple days later, and as you can see when we do our POV driving, there's a much better screen to look at now. So this just looks so much better. Got my Apple CarPlay up. I've been using this every day. Got my Waze up. Now I can see police markers and construction warning signs and everything. I'm so happy with this. So if you guys want this upgrade kit, if you have that base itty bitty screen, I strongly recommend doing this because it's not that hard to do, and that's coming from me that doesn't know how to do anything. So the install is fairly simple. You just need to watch a video online, and it's literally step by step. It's not too bad. The only bad part is trying to take apart the interior, because it's kind of nerve-wracking when you're ripping these plastic parts apart. It sounds like they're about to just fall apart and break, but thankfully I didn't have anything break while I was doing it, so really happy about that. All right guys, just wanted to take a quick second to show you guys what the calipers look like before the painting. As you can see there, it's just kind of a dark, I know these wheels are really small, but kind of a dark gray for the front. Let's go check out the back real quick. See, the back is just a regular metal caliper, and I do want them to tape off the brake pad so that the whole thing isn't red, because I'm just not a fan of the look when the whole entire thing is red, but I like when it looks like it's detailed, if that makes sense. Let's give you guys a little side profile here. There's the front. Can't wait to see what it looks like afterwards. And there is the back. So I will catch you guys when they finish it up. Alrighty guys, so we just made it to this brand new Amazon parking lot, and let's see if you guys can notice the difference. So you probably can see here, we got red painted brake calipers in the front and the back. See there? And I was really impressed with the way they did the back, because I didn't want the brake pad painted. So I'm really glad that I paid a professional to do it right. This has a lifetime warranty, so if it starts cracking or peeling or anything, or scraping off, then I can just bring it back and they will fix it. But the front looks really, really good with the Brembo stickers on it. And I know what you're probably thinking. You're probably thinking, oh, you have fake Brembos and you're trying to be a performance pack and all this other stuff. These didn't come from the factory with Brembos, but I'm like 99% sure that Brembo just refers to the brake pad that is used. So technically, if I put a Brembo brake pad in here, then it will be a real Brembo. So I don't think that the performance pack caliper and everything is made by Brembo. I'm pretty sure it's just a brake pad. The white Brembo sticker really makes it pop, in my opinion. Let's go ahead and check the side that the sun is not shining on. Ooh, look at that rapid red in the sun. All right, let's look over here. So this is the side that the sun is not shining on. I don't know why there's so much glare on the camera. There we go. Oh yeah. you guys know that looks nice. And then when I get new wheels and tires, it will look even better, because the wheels I want to get are going to be some pretty wide spoke, like a split 5-spoke design. I really like split 5s, and I know this is technically a split 5, but that's an 18, and I'm just not too into that design. But I don't absolutely hate that design, which is why I didn't change it like immediately. You know, it looks okay, and then especially with the red calipers, it kind of brings it out a little bit. But I really need to get some aftermarket wheels and tires, and yeah. So yeah, that's the little upgrade I wanted to show you guys. 100% worth it, because it just looks so much better now, and it really pops. But if you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of the sync system and the brake calipers. And let me know what you think of the Brembo sticker. Do you think that's stupid or whatever? And I will see you guys in the next one.